Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need Word updated and signed into your Microsoft account. Once done, open any document and go straight to Insert Add-ins, Get Add-ins. Search Quillbot and click Add. This installs the extension into your ribbon, so make sure Word reconnects to your account and that any corporate policies allow add-ins. If prompted for permissions, review what Quillbot requests and accept to proceed. The goal here is to place the Quillbot pane in Word ready for configuration. Once the pane appears, sign in with your Quillbot credentials or create an account directly from the pane. You'll be asked to grant permissions so the add-in can access document text. Accept only what you're comfortable with. After signing in, connect any premium subscription by entering your plan details in Settings. Then pick the tool you want, paraphrase, grammar, or summary, and test on a short paragraph to confirm results. This links Word to Quillbot and enables live suggestions. Finish by running Quillbot across a sample section to verify output quality and adjust tone, formality, and replacement length. If the pane doesn't load, restart Word, then reopen add-ins and reinstall Quillbot. Make sure your network and firewall allow connections to Quillbot servers and that your Microsoft account permissions include Office add-ins. One quick troubleshooting tip: sign out of both Word and Quillbot, clear cache, then sign back in. That often resolves authentication or syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.